Hello, dear human. I am Willy. Willy the dog. You know, Christmas is coming very soon. For me, Christmas means good food, fireworks, and the whole family gathered in one place. Oh, they're here now. Come on, I'll introduce you. This is my mom, my human mom. She is very kind. She likes to cook, especially to bake. And she always gives me something to eat. Her cakes smell delicious and taste delicious. Do you want to try one? Come on. Mom, something is... okay, bye, Mom. This is my dad. He likes to read the news, watch the news, and speak about the news. The only thing that makes him leave the journals is the mom's cakes. This is my brother. His hobby is computer games, and he never leaves this room. He plays here, eats here, and sleeps here. My sister. Hello, Emily. Hello. Hi. Painting is her passion. Show us what you're drawing now. Wow, you have some paint on your face. I know one day she will be a famous artist. My grandma. She loves sewing and knitting. For Christmas, she always makes sweaters for everyone, even for me. Oh, wait. Take a candy. Thank you, Granny. Thank you so much. My grandpa loves gardening. In his garden, there are many fruits and vegetables. We often walk together, and he gives me a lot of treats. Here is one for you. Thank you, Grandpa. This is my aunt, the sister of my mom. She's a fan of classical music, and she can spend the whole day like this. Oh, let's not bother her now. Let's go. My uncle. He's a brother of my father. They are twins, as you can see. But they have different hobbies. My uncle loves sports and eats only healthy food. Blah. This is my cousin, the daughter of my uncle. She likes to dance, and I hate her because sometimes she steps on my tail. So, this is my family. They're crazy, but I love them. What about you? Do you have a big family too? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.